Storytime. Hi, Storytime friends. How are you doing this morning? If you're doing well, raise your hand high up in the air. Yay! Everyone's having a great morning. That's amazing. All right, well, this is online story time, and today is Wednesday, April 14th. I am Miss Lisa. I'm the Children's Services Librarian at Azle Memorial Library, and this is online story time. So what we do at online story time is we have a fun online story time song we sing. I tell you the theme for today. We listen to a short song or a story. Then I show you a craft and some books that are up at the library today. They are waiting for you to check them out. All right, let's sing our online story time song. The words go like this. Online story time, online story time. It's online story time time. The fun part of this song is you sing it any way you want to at home. All right, we're going to sing it at the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Online story time, online story time. It's online story time time. All right, give yourself a round of applause if you sang along at home. Good job. All right, so our theme for today is rain. I love a good rainy day. I like to curl up on my couch and read a book. What are some of your favorite things about rain? Okay, yes, some good things about rain are playing in puddles. Wow, playing in puddles is fun. How about listening to the tap tap on the window when you're inside? That's really fun. That's something fun about rain. All right, so if we're ready for rain, we are going to sing Rain is Falling Down. This is the song Raindrops Are Falling Down. Raindrops are falling down, falling down, falling down. Raindrops are falling down, falling to the ground. Small raindrops are falling down, falling down, falling down. Small raindrops are falling down, pitter patter splash. Medium raindrops are falling down, falling down, falling down. Medium raindrops are falling down, falling to the ground. Large raindrops are falling down, falling down, falling down. Large raindrops are falling down, pitter patter splash. The end. That's such a fun song. I really enjoyed singing that. Okay, so here is the craft you can make at home. I call it splatter paint. You are going to take some cardstock. If you don't have cardstock, that is okay. You can try using regular paper or glue 2 regular papers together to make a little bit of a heavier paper. And you then trace out raindrops, trace out some clouds. Once they're traced, you're going to cut them out using scissors, and you're going to put them in a Ziploc bag. Add some drops of paint. I used a dark blue, a light blue, and white. And once your shapes are in there, it's still wet. Your raindrops and your clouds, you're gonna close it up, maybe blow a little bit of air into it also, but zip it back up, and then you just shake it, shake it, shake it. This is where your kids are gonna have so much fun just shaking that bag up. And then let's look at what it looks like when it's done. You'll take the pieces out and you'll set them out to dry, and this is what they will look like. They have this beautiful splatter effect on them. In particular, I just drew a drawing to put my clouds and raindrops on, but you can do whatever you want. You could just have some fun gluing them to a piece of paper. So if you make some splatter paint at home, I would love to see it. Please share them in the comments. Okay, well, here are the books that are available today. You're the first ones that get to see them. We have I Don't Like Rain. We have, this one looks so cute. It's called Puddles. And one of my favorite authors, this book is called Rainfish. Oh, look at this poor bear. This book is called Soaked. And another one of my favorite authors, this book is called Splish Splash Ducky. And last but not least, we have Tap Tap Boom Boom. So much fun. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, bye.